Hey, it's Hannah with WTI, and these beautiful curtains from VOILYBIRD have absolutely transformed my bedroom.
I have never really been big on curtains, but these have definitely changed my mind. I am so in love with these linen, beautiful boho curtains. These are 84 inches long. I like my curtains a little bit shorter because we've got a lot of animals and I don't like them collecting fur and dust when they're so close to the floor. So these are the perfect size for my bedroom. I love these tassel details that go all the way around the sides and the bottom of these curtains, and they have a perfect size pocket hole that fits most curtain rods and they fit perfectly on mine. When I tell you, these just really made a huge difference in our bedroom. They are so beautiful the way that they filter the light and add just such warmth to our space. They really have made it just so beautiful. I love that they are linen and how they come in a pack of two. They are really just so perfect.
If you have been looking for gorgeous curtains to put in your home, I think these are absolutely perfect. They are beautiful, boho, neutral curtains. I could not be more happy with them, and that's my point of view.